What up, crypto warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. I know I've been away for a while. School started, so I gotta get my studying on. Besides that, if you like to get updated on crypto news and just the market in general, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. So thank you in advance. The world is going to end, man. Yo, shit's falling apart. We got the regular stock market crashing. We have the crypto market that's just been crashing since like the middle of January and shit. And now China is dropping more FUD, man. What is going on? Oh my goodness, it's the end of the world. But let's look at the market real quick. We got Bitcoin down to 7,200. Let me hit a quick refresh. All right, so yeah, it went down even a little further since I got this uploaded. The market cap, $341 billion. Volume for 24 hours has been 26 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is 35.8%. So we just have a red sea. We need Moses here to part this shit, people. What the hell is going on? All right, so here it is. It's just red straight down. I think the only thing in the green is Tether, and Tether don't count, right? I don't even see Tether in here. Oh, X-Play. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look it up and see what's going on later. Everything in the top 100, except for X-Play, is in the red. Everything is in the red. You know my motto. If it's in the red, it's time to buy, people. I just wish I had more money to get on to this sale that we're having right now. I was wrong about Tether. It was up 20 minutes ago, but now it's back down. But here it is. Like I said, everything, man, in the top 100 has been down over the past, 24 hours. And it's just been a shit show these past couple of weeks. Let's take a quick look. Again, the Dow plunges 1,175 points. Worst point decline in history. Don't believe the hype, people. It may be the worst point decline in history. However, percentage-wise, the market is only down 4%. All right, the regular stock market is only down 4%. Don't believe the hype. That's what the mainstream media wants to sell it as. They have it on like CNN Money, Bloomberg, CNBC, and all these news organizations. They have it as, oh my God, it's the worst point decline in history, and that's how they're selling it. And then they just skim over the fact that percentage-wise, it's only down 4%. Okay, and real economists and real people that's been in this game of trading stocks and stuff, they know that a 4% decline is nothing, and plus the market's due for a huge correction anyway, because we've been chugging along, up for the past 15-18 months or so. It's due for a correction, man. All right, and it's a long time coming. I hope everything keeps on crashing. That way, when I have my money together, guess what I'll be doing? Buying. So I want it to crash some more. I want huge percentage drops, baby. But don't be afraid. This is not a sign of the end. And don't be afraid to and start taking your money out, because the only time you lose is when you sell. Speaking of Tether, Tether is in the news. All right, all eyes on Tether amid crypto pullback. So as we know, the CFTC, I think is what it is. They subpoenaed Tether a while back. This is a couple of months ago. This is back in December, but it really made news last week. But in this article here, they're talking about, can Tether sustain this market pullback? All right, because if they're not really backed, the 1-to-1 ratio, right here it says the reason for allegation is quite predictable. Bitfinex, that issues Tether tokens, which are issued for US dollars on a 1-to-1 ratio. In simple terms, Bitfinex were accused of not having 1-to-1 reserves of dollars to issue Tether tokens. All right, so they're basically saying that Bitfinex is making money out of thin air. It's kind of like the pot calling the kettle black, right? Isn't that what the U.S. government do? But that's neither here nor there. I won't get into that too much. Yeah, they're saying that Bitfinex is, just making it up, basically, making up their numbers. Tether, they supposedly have $2.2 billion, backed Tethers. And if we look at the coin market cap real quick, we can look at Tether's market cap. You know, instead of scrolling all the way down, what I should have done was this. There it is. All right, so the market cap, yeah, is pretty much $2.2 billion, right? So they're saying that that's how much they have. This is how much they have in circulating supply right now. We don't know for sure. They were subpoenaed, but we'll see, right? In other news, we have Texas in the news again. All right, they issued another cease and desist, this time to everybody's second or now favorite lending platform, Davorcoin. They've been hit with a cease and desist from the Texas State Securities Board. You know, it was signed off on the 2nd of February, which was Friday. All right, so today, by the way, is February 5th, and it's Monday, the day after the Super Bowl, and the Patriots lost. I hate Tom Brady, so I don't give a shit. Yeah, so, you know, they hit him with it, and we'll see how this plays out. All right? What I think they need to do is just hit all lending platforms with a cease and desist and get them out of here because they're making crypto, you know, giving crypto a bad name. All right, yes, and I was a big proponent of lending platforms because I was new to crypto at the time and I thought that was crypto, but you'll be surprised how much you can learn in 2.5 months. All right, especially in the crypto space, if you just take the time to do your research and learn. So that's what's that. We got more FUD coming out of China. They're officially, when this page loads, all right, stop it, there it is. Chinese government is reportedly moving to block domestic access to overseas website that offers services for cryptocurrency trading and ICO investments. So they officially blocked it, all right? They got rid of the miners out of the country, and now they are blocking their citizens from trading in cryptocurrencies. Okay, and we know China doesn't have an internet, they have an intranet, and they control it. Again, they just want to control their people and what their people can do as far as, you know, crypto is concerned, or anything is concerned in China. Also, earlier today, watching another YouTube channel, that it might be because of BRICS. All right, the Brazilian, Russian, Indian, Chinese, South American is called BRICS. Those 5 countries are amassing a crap ton of gold, and they want the Chinese yuan to be the world reserve money, not the US dollar. All right, so there's some economic war or that's coming, basically. You know, people are saying that they want to either have Chinese-backed cryptocurrency by gold, or just the BRICS, which is, you know, those 5 countries I just mentioned: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. You know, they're in cahoots with each other to have their monies backed by gold and natural resources. We'll see how this plays out in, you know, coming months or the coming years, basically. All right, just do your own research, people. Look it up. BRICS. Look up, you know, Russia stockpiling gold. You know, Russia has the largest gold reserves now in the world. So, you know, this could be a play that the Chinese are why they're preventing cryptocurrencies, because that could, and Russia at the same time is also preventing cryptocurrencies from, you know, trade from taking place within their borders. All right, but I won't, you know, dive too deep into that rabbit hole. You know, enough with the bad news, right? Let's get right into the good news. We have, once this loads, come on, baby. We have huge news for Litecoin, and I had it highlighted, but so you can see the page had to reload here. Let me re-highlight this. Highlight the whole thing. See, silly thing here. Close this out, but I'll just read it. All right, so LitePay takes Litecoin out of the cyber realm and places it squarely in the real life by allowing businesses to accept payment in Litecoin from anywhere on Earth. Transactions will be super fast and allow UK-based customers to pay for products and services in dollars with no transaction charges. A Litecoin wallet will also be available for all major mobile and desktop browsers, and instant withdrawals from Visa compatible ATMs and spend with any Visa merchant will be, or spending will be with any Visa merchant will be possible. So this is great news for Litecoin. This is just great news for cryptocurrencies, period. All right, because like Charlie Lee, the founder and CEO of Litecoin, you know, he said that he wanted to make Litecoin the silver to Bitcoin's gold, where Bitcoin will be a storage of wealth and Litecoin will be, you know, something that people could spend on a day-to-day basis. And I guess with the LitePay, it won't be, I guess the price fluctuation of Litecoin won't be affected, because with LitePay, it'll already, I guess through the apps or through the payment system, it would already have all that figured out. All right, but this is just a quick story about LitePay. And in other good news for cryptocurrencies, all right, we have Bittrex, all right, on, you know, January 21st, here it is. Bill Shihara, CEO of Bittrex, confirmed doing a Unicorn Radio podcast with Unicorn CEO Rahul Sood on January 31st that Bittrex exchange will be opening up USD trading to the majority of its customers. So that is a great thing. No longer will you have to go through Coinbase to purchase Bitcoin and or Ethereum, only to then have it transferred to places like Bittrex or Binance, Qcoin, and so on. You could just actually purchase your cryptocurrencies, and they have over 190 cryptocurrencies being traded currently right now on Bittrex. So this will be a huge game changer. And I think it's, you know, a positive for cryptocurrencies. This will allow more people to get into the game, because people, that's how people, you know, they ask me, yo, Sarge, how do I, you know, buy, you know, other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin? Or, you know, they just named the 4 that's on Coinbase, all right, or the 2 or 3 that's only on Gemini. Well, now you'll be able to do that. All right, you'll be able to do that directly on Bittrex with US dollar by, you know, syncing up your bank account and or debit card and being able to purchase cryptocurrencies straight up using your USD. All right, so that's some good news. That's 2 good news right there. It's not all about the bloodbath in this market that we have. All right, it isn't the end of the world, people. If you have the money, I think this is the time to buy. You know, dollar cost average your way down to the bottom, man. You know, this is not the end. This is not the end, man. Forget the FUD. Forget all the so-called, you know, bad news that's coming to, you know, to the mainstream media, and, you know, just see this as a great buying opportunity, that everything is on sale and you're able to get more of your favorite cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. It's your boy Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.